What is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? International law, visualized. In 1948, the UN General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights under Article 55 of the Charter, to promote universal respect and observance of human rights and fundamental freedoms for all without distinction as to race, sex, language, or religion. Comprising 30 substantive articles, the Universal Declaration set out the fundamental rights to be guaranteed to all people, like dignity, liberty, equality, and brotherhood, the right to life and the prohibition of slavery, the individual rights in civil and political society, and the freedom of religion and association, in addition to social, economic, and cultural rights. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights has since its adoption exercised a powerful impact throughout the world, both internationally and nationally, and have been quoted as justification for various measures taken by the United Nations, and have inspired many international conventions, and influenced national constitutions, municipal legislation, and court decisions. Although not legally binding, the contents of the Declaration have been incorporated into subsequent international treaties, human rights instruments, national constitutions, and laws, and as a code of conduct or a yardstick to measure the degree of compliance with the international standards of human rights. From the Universal Declaration came the legally binding international covenants on civil and political rights, and on economic, social, and cultural rights.